Switchable PDLC smart film, understood as intelligent glass, has rapidly established itself as an innovative feature used by architects and interior designers for their most luxurious and refined projects. Smart glass is now used to regulate the amount of light or brightness entering a room circumscribed by glazed walls while providing and managing secure privacy without the use of curtains and blinds.
Switchable smart film provides architects and interior designers with a wide range of stylish privacy options, ideal for luxury or high-end projects. With a range of switches available, architects and designers can create the ideal privacy solution for their project using a remote control to switch the glass from up to 25 meters away, a fixed switch installed in the wall, or even a voice-activated control switch using a virtual assistant.
Elevate your office fit-out projects with a touch of sophistication and modernity. Switchable smart glass adds a sleek and contemporary look to any space, making a lasting impression on clients and employees alike. Its seamless integration into architectural designs allows for a visually appealing aesthetic that complements various interior styles, providing a truly impressive finish to your projects.
Switchable smart glass requires minimal maintenance compared to traditional blinds or curtains. With no moving parts or fabric to clean, the glass is easy to maintain, saving both time and money for facilities management contractors. Additionally, the long lifespan of the glass ensures durability, reducing the need for frequent replacements and further lowering costs in the long run.
We work regularly with architects, contractors, designers and homeowners to provide assistance and advice on selecting and installing smart glass products. Our smart glass partition systems are manufactured to suit your exact requirements, with each single panel available in sizes up to 1,800 mm by 4,000 mm. Our switchable glass panels boast edge-to-edge switching capabilities, creating glass walls that are practically seamless and offer total privacy.